Good morning, children. See, beta, our class 8th class, our subject social. See, beta, in the previous class, energy from sun. Energy from sun. The topic we have discussed in the previous class, how the energy getting from the sun. In that we can discuss about the graph 1, graph 2, 3, 4, 5. We are see in the how the seasons will be changed, means temperature how it will be changes. We can see in the graph. Okay, now we can know about the minimum maximum temperature, how it will be changes in the energy from sun lesson we have discussed in the previous classes. And now the new lesson is the earth movement and seasons. The earth movement and seasons. Earth movement and seasons. You know better earth, already you know about the earth. Yes, earth is, it is a globe of earth. The movement means when it's a surrounding in the changing the one place to another, movement. And seasons, almost you are no season in primary classes onwards, you are knowing about the season. How many types of seasons also how many types of seasons we be having, beta? We having the 3 types of seasons. We can see 3 types of seasons. 3 types of seasons. We are having the 3 types of seasons. And see, beta, first we know about the changing seasons. Changing the seasons means, yes, we know the seasons. Yes, monthly means 3 months for the changing the seasons. In the previous lesson, what we know about the temperature. When the temperature will be changed means minimum maximum also will be changed for month wise, January, February. In the graph we can see, first we can see in the graph 1 Hyderabad, we can see graph 1 Hyderabad temperature, minimum and maximum, January to March, like that we can see, season wise. Same as it also, now we are knowing about the changing the seasons. Changing the seasons means, first of all, that we can see human beings and we are living the long time of plants and trees. Yes, human beings, plants, human beings, animals, plants and trees. These all are living on the earth. We all are living on the earth. Yes, we are all growing the fruits, plants, flowering. These all are on the changing the season wise. Yes, we can see season, how the changing the season wise means. We can see better when the suppose we are having the summer season, winter season, rainy season, anatomy season, spring season. We are having the types of season. In the previous class, in the 7th class, already you read it about the seasons better. In the 7th class, only the previous class, you already studied about the summer season, winter season, rainy season, anatomy, spring season. We are having the 4 types of seasons you already studied about. Same as it is also here changing the seasons. In that the all human beings, animals, plants, trees, all season might be, it will be grow up and it will be give up. And moreover the crops also, when the season wise also, monsoon season or rabi crop and paddy crop, like season wise only the crops also will be getted. Or some of the fruits, flowering, fruits and flowering. Also they are giving the season wise also. Some of the season wise also. Now suppose we are having the different kinds of vegetables. Different kinds of vegetables and fruits. Some of the few months of the vegetables will be grow. Some few months of the fruits will be grow. Suppose see better for example in the summer season, most of the we can see in the summer season. It is a very hottest season. In that hottest season, what we will see? In the moreover, we can see the fruits. Which types of fruits we can see? The heavily we can see the mango fruits. We can see it. Why we can see it? It means the weather will be changed, the temperature, the seasons will be changed. Now that time seasonally fruits it. Sometimes we can call seasonally fruits, fruit. In the winter season, custard apples. In the rainy seasons, guava. Like different types of fruits will be given in the different seasons wise. Seasons will be grow. And when the season changing, when the changing the seasons, that time the crops will be grow and fruits, flowering and fruits, different animals, plant. The different will be changes when the seasons will be changes. And next, the most of you can see in the Indian subcontinent. We can see in the most of Indian subcontinent. They are having the witness me. Witness means they are having the different types of continents. We are having the different types of continents. In the different types of continents, they are having the monsoon. The monsoon is the winter season. The monsoon is the winter season. They are having the far fourth, like in the Tamil Nadu. In the north fourth, the north far fourth side is the Tamil Nadu. And the most of next in the Kerala. In the Kerala are Andamans. Kerala and Andaman. They are having the very cold. It is a very cold. It is a very cold. And moreover, we can see the summer season is a very briefly in the, it is a very hottest season. It is a very hottest season. Where we can see it is a northeastern. We can see it is a north side. Here north, only north side it will be far, but here we can see northeastern we can see. And in this we are having the more 3 seasons we can see. Most we can see in this 3 seasons. It is the, we can see summer, winter, rainy and winter. Most we can see spring season. We can see the most we can see in the 3 is the summer, rainy and winter. This is the 3 reasons, means 3 is the seasons. We are having the 3 seasons. In that we can see better in the ancient time, means before in the ancient time in the Sanskrit language they are having the 6 seasons. They are having the 6 season. In that 6 seasons it is from the intermediate. From intermediate it is having the seasons. Intermediate seasons they have as 6 seasons. And more in the Telugu we can see Rutuvulu we can call as a season, like Vasanta Rutuvu, Hema Rutuvu, like this we having the types of seasons. In the Telugu we have called as a summer, winter, rainy, like that we can call. In Telugu Vasanta Rutuvu, Grishma Rutuvu, Hemanta Rutuvu, like we having the types of 3 seasons that we can see. In that we can see better. This is the Rutuvus. We are having the first types of, first one we can see, first one Vasanta, it is a spring season. And second one, Grishma. It is a summer. And more third one, we can see Hemanta. Hemanta Rituvu. It is a winter. And moreover, it is a Varsha means monsoon. It is a rainy season. We having the, this is the, in Telugu we can see it. In Telugu also we can see it. See, Vasanta Rutu, spring, Grishma Rutu, summer, Hemanta Rutu, winter, Varsha Rutu is the monsoon. We are having the 4 types of season. And in this also beta, we can see in the spring season. Spring season is a very, it is a pleasant, and when the trees will be glowing, the plants will be very, leaves, now they are getting. And afterward, Grishma Rutu, it is a summer season, is very hot. That all seasons will completed. First again they start with the summer season. And Hemanta Rutu is a winter. Okay, winter is a very cool. And Varsha, it is a monsoon, in the rainy season. And now we are discussing about that the winter season, the spring season. Like we can see, we have to see the other countries. They are having the 4 types of, we can see it. The first one, in that we can see, when the season wise also we are celebrating the festivals. Season wise also we are celebrate the festival. The first, the spring season, Vasanta Rutu, we can celebrate the so many different of the festivals. See here, Vasanta Panchami, Holi, like different types of festival we can celebrate. Here Vasanta Panchami, Holi, okay, Vasanta Panchami, Holi, like Guru Purnam, like different festivals will be celebrated. And next, in the winter season we can see, after when the crops are getted in India, totally it will come, we have to celebrate the festival. Is a Diwali is the most celebrate the festival. And the winter season, moreover, we can see when the snow will be fall on hills. Moreover, we can see on the hills they are falling the snow. When the snow means, we can see Himalayas. In the moreover, in the winter season we can see Himalayas, hills. More the snow will be, anytime it will be falled. You can see in the Switzerland, that US and the other countries, they are also anytime that the winter season they'll fall the fall the snow only. That time anytime it will be fall the snow in the, it is a winter season. Sometimes for us also we having temperature will be changed. Sometimes season, that time also in the early morning only the snow will be fall. In the early morning we can see snow will be falling, in that we can see. And moreover, we can see in this also crops, in the season wise also, in the winter season they will be grow up the crops also. And moreover, they are being celebrated in the winter season, means November are ending, that they are celebrated. Which festival means Diwali is the most festival they are be celebrated. After that, next again January it will become no. Again it will be same season, 3 months will be having. The last ending season is the winter season. In the winter season, last ending the festival, they will be celebrate the Makara Sankranti festival, they will be celebrate. After that Pongal, okay, and there will be celebrated. After that the summer season will be again will be started. When the ending the January, it will be started from summer season. February to March will be started the summer season. It will, summer season means it will be having the, it is a very hottest season. And moreover, we can see here beta already for you in this we having the 4 types of seasons. In the other countries we can see, suppose we can see in the USA. In the USA they are having the launching trees, means how the seasons will be changes. How the changes will be changes in the, I will show in your figure. See beta, it is a USA means in America. America's the land scatters in your 4 seasons. In America we can see in how many seasons? We can see 4 seasons. We can see 4 seasons. In that 4 seasons, what we can see, they are having the spring season, winter season, summer season, anatomy season. In this, not anatomy season is came. That's why I said anatomy, spring, winter, summer, rain. We are having the 4 types of seasons in the having. See better. First one we can see this tree. First we can see this tree means it is called totally, it will be filled with the water, filled with the snow, ice, totally. See, when the trees and their houses also totally it is filled with the ice and snow. And here you can see these types of trees. Second one, it will be having down also, they are having the green. The trees also it will be green. And the next third one what will be having in which season we can see in the third one, we can see most you can see in the summer season. That time the tree, the leaves will be totally dry, the trees will be dry. And next we can see in this also down totally it's dry, just the tree will be standing, just it will be green color. And after that this all completed, again the tree getting the leaves, small leaves, and again it will be grow. And when the seasons well, they will get the fruits and flowers they will be get it. Again when the leaves will be dry, again in the spring season, in the most we can see in the spring season is so plenty of tree, means in that total it will be cool, it will be cool. That time what the leaves and the plants, it will be again it will be coming again, and it will be coming and it will give the flowers, fruits will be getted in this. For this is the USA, in the America it is the 4 seasons will be having. And the next we can see madam, here one box is given to the south of the equators, Asia, Singapore, Indonesia, Africa, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Europe, North America. You had to write the equators. You had to write the equators. You know about the latitudes, longitudes. In that also we can see the equators. On the globe we can see, on the globe we can see the equators. Okay, you can write the equator. How you are write means, here Asia is how much the equator, where to where, and here Africa and Europe, North America and South America, and Australia. And next here is given, do you find any continent which located enter into the north of equator? Yes, they are the enter into a North America and European. Okay, Europe, North America and Europe. And next, do you find any continent which is located entirely to the south of the equator? It is Australia. And do you find any continent which is spreading on both ideas of north and south of equator? Means it is South America. We are having some questions like you have to complete in your book, textbook, and same these as it is questions also write in your social book. Why means you have to write it this green color box total. And next we can know the factors effect on a season, how the factors will be effect on a seasons, we can know. Factors effects on the seasons. Factors effect on the seasons. Let's we know about the factors on seasons. Means see, you can understand these. We have understand complete interactions between the 7 factors will be having. How many beta? We are having the 7 factors. We having the 7 factors. First one, what will have? The spherical shape of the earth curved, it is a surface. It is, yes. We are having the earth is a spherical shape, means it is a round on the earth. And the next, daily rotated on of the earth, it's its own. Yes, the daily the earth will be rotated on its own axis. Its own axis. And the next, the title of axis rotate compared the plan on which earth will be move. That time the earth will be move. The earth is a round. When we are not moving, the earth will be only, the axis will be rotated, and it is having the title, means till of week compared to plan on which earth will be move. And the next, earth movement around the sun once a year. It will be moves only once a year. It is called as a revolution. It is called revolution. Once only it will be move the earth and sun, and after that it will be revolution. Okay, it is be revolution. And first we can know about that curvature of the earth. Curvature of earth. See, we can see the curvature of the earth. You can already studied about the impacting of the spherical shape of the earth. Yes, already we know about the earth is a spherical shape of the earth, and we have the distributed heat and light, and earth surface differently how the region equator becoming warm, then this is a near the pole. It is having the near the pole. Okay, it will be having the near pole. It will be having the near the pole. And the next, earth rotate on a axis. The earth rotate on a axis. Earth rotation. Yes, we can see on the earth will be rotation on a axis. See, the earth rotates or goes around just like a top spin. Top means you can see the top. We can see the one pin like. Okay, we can see the rotates go in the pin. What does it go down? What down it will go down. See, it will actually rotate around the imaginary lines. We are having the imaginary lines and joining it into the north pole to south pole. We can see this is the imaginary lines. We can see the imaginary line. This pole is the north pole to south pole. Okay, it will be access north pole to south pole. And it is called as a axis. It is called as a axis. And the next, the all parts of the earth go down line once a day. Means it all lines will be going on a once a line. And the next, we can see in the other word of the earth having about 24 hours to rotate. The earth will be rotate the 24 hours to go. And the next, its axis, it move from west to east. It will be moved from west to east. And if the globe facing you, it rotate from your left to right. You can see the west portion of it will be move. Means when we are standing on the left to right, means it will be move on the face. Means when we are facing, that time it will be rotate on the axis. We can also for you. See, madam, this is the rotation of the earth from west to east. See, this is our globe. This is the equators. We are having the equators. This is the equators and the directions here to here. Here north pole to south pole. The axis is a north pole to south pole. And we are having the equators and directions. We can see it on in this. See, better you can observe it. And the next we are having the earth title revolution of the sun. Earth title and revolution around the sun. See, but in this what we will see means we having the earth revolve around the while the rotating around its own axis, means it will be having the its own axis. It will be rotate, but it will be having the own axis, and that is the spin like a top. Already we can now knowing a spin like a top, we can see it, and the same that keeping from the forward to around the sun, means it will be forward. This spring is like a pin will be having, no, it is a forward to move the sun. This pin is a moving to forward to a sun, and the motion of the earth, the sun is called as a revolution. The sun is called as a revolution, and the most each revolution take has a 365 days. It will be taking the 365 days and 5.56 hours. Okay, it will be having to rotate 365 days, 5.56 hours. It will be going on. The earth will be rotate, and the next this length of year is the we having the formation. We can see it. Okay, it will be rotated on 365 days and 5.56 hours. It will be having to rotate the sun, and the most of we can see around the sun we have the mean the place would have some seasons throughout the year. We get the sunshine would keeping the get year in the same wise. We can see in this we can see the most of axis. The most we can see the axis. Most of the we can see the axis. Moreover, and the next the earth go around the sun regularly path, also called as a orbit. When the earth is go on the sun from regularly is called as a orbit. We can called as a orbit, and the most the plane it's open the space is called as a orbit plane. When the it will be open the space, no, it is called as a orbit plane. Orbit, it is called as a orbit plane. We can call orbit plane. And moreover, the earth axis rotate does not stand vertically 90 degrees angle. We can see here we are having the 90 degrees angle and 80 degrees, or we can see in here to here 90 degrees, here north to south we can see 90 degrees and 80 degrees, 120 degrees, like we can see the centigrades and degrees on the earth axis equators. And the Prithvi flat from 65 degrees angle, in other word the title 23.5 degrees, we can see better. We can see 90 degrees centigrade minus 60 degrees centigrades is equal to 23 degrees centigrade. We can see we are having the 90 degrees. First we can see the 90 degrees. After the 90 degrees minus we can see 65 degrees. Again 65 degrees, 66.5 degrees centigrade is equal to 23.5 degrees centigrade. It will be getted the to add look at the following the picture. You can see in this, we can see in the pictures we can have the equators. We can see the equators and poles axis. We having the degrees. In this we can see. And the next, as the earth revolving around the sun, the axis remaining title in the same will be having the direction of the year. It will be having the same, the title and the title, it will be having the same. It will be have to rotate on the sun. Okay, and in the same directions it keep the polar stars which can see in the north sky in the night, and in this called as a polarity of axis. We can see in the polarity of axis. We can see in the night time on the sky, what we will see? We can see stars. On the sky, what we'll see? We can see the stars, and it is the polar stars. See, this is a view of the earth from the moon. When the view means on the earth, we can see on the moon. We can see on the sky only. We can see almost earth. We can see almost on the earth. We can see on the moon. And see, but this is the on the earth from the sun. On the earth, we can see on the moon in this figure. Okay. And the next, in the picture you can see the what happened when the earth goes around the sun in the manner. When the earth is going on the inside means what manner we can see. During the summer month, the northern hemisphere is a little toward the sun, while the southern hemisphere face the sun. We can see better here. We can see the orbit plan, spring in north, anatomy in south, and December to 24. Which this is explaining in the tomorrow class the clearly when they are drawing in the totally I will draw first on the blackboard, and for you clearly I will explain tomorrow class. Okay, it is this figure. Just I will explain showing in your book. Tomorrow remaining topic tomorrow I will explain and then I will draw on the blackboard. Tomorrow I will show. Sir, here orbital path March 21. It is a spring in the north. The anatomy in the south. December 22. We can see winter in north, summer in the south. And the next anatomy north, it will be having equator. September 23. Spring in the south. And the next January 21. Summer in the north, winter south. It is a season wise. Summer to means north to south. Summer in the north, winter in the south. Here also spring in the north. Spring in the north side. And anatomy is the south side. Means it is a directions. It is a directions. Same in the winter in the north, summer in the south. We can see it. Okay. It is a tomorrow I can explain the remaining topic. This is a we can just seasons in the north to south. This is only hemisphere. This is the only hemisphere in the which direction it is rotating, means north to south only hemisphere we can see. The remaining topics tomorrow we can discuss, and tomorrow I will show and draw and I will show better. Okay, and you have to complete this work in your book, and next you have to draw rotated of the earth from the west to east, west to east. These two had to complete in your book. Thank you. Better room on topics we have discussed.